First, the design and display. The Galaxy S24 Ultra features a stunning 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display with QHD+ resolution and a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. The iPhone 16 Pro Max counters with a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with ProMotion technology. Both are amazing, but Samsung's larger and sharper screen gives it the edge for movie lovers and gamers. Winner, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Next, performance and software. The iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with Apple's A17 Pro chip, the fastest on the market, paired with the smooth and seamless iOS 17 ecosystem. On the other hand, Samsung uses the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, which is incredibly powerful, but not quite as efficient as Apple's setup. If you're into raw performance, the iPhone leads. Winner, iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, cameras. The Galaxy S24 Ultra dominates with its 200-megapixel main sensor and 100x space zoom. It's a dream for photography enthusiasts. The iPhone 16 Pro Max offers a solid 48-megapixel camera with a new periscope zoom feature, but it can't quite match Samsung's versatility. Winner, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Onto battery and charging. Samsung packs a huge 5000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging. The iPhone 16 Pro Max has a smaller estimated 4400 mAh battery, and while Apple is efficient, Samsung clearly wins in terms of capacity and charging speeds. Winner, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Finally, let's look at ecosystem and extras. The iPhone excels in its ecosystem. If you have a Mac, Apple Watch, or iPad, it's unbeatable. But Samsung brings productivity to the table with the S Pen and Dex mode for a desktop-like experience. When it comes to versatility, Samsung edges ahead. Winner, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So, who's the ultimate winner? While the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a beast in performance and ecosystem integration, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra pulls ahead with its superior camera system, battery life, and productivity features. For most users, the Galaxy S24 Ultra takes the crown. Do you agree? Comment below and let us know which phone you would pick. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic tech battles.